Hey everybody, Papa Paint here. I want you guys to have easy paint jobs where they come out really nice. Okay, this is my SATA base coat gun. It's sort of older, but she's really nice. Now I use a 1.3 fluid needle in it, and my fan, I only like open halfway. As soon as that paint breaks to the nice wide area, I want it to stop. I don't want to keep trying to split it because it'll start to create dry in the center. As you know, when you pull a trigger, so I'm going to open it up, trying to go halfway. You want to back it off a little. Right there. It gets a nice clean pattern, and you don't get a lot of dry edges. And if you're getting dry edges, try using a slower reducer, because if your reducer is too fast, that will make stuff get dry edges and nasty. The other thing is when you're painting, try and stay that 5 to 7 inches, whatever you're comfortable with. When you got it laying down really nice, you know you nailed it. So I'm hoping this helps. So let's try and put a coat on, and this is how I do it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you. Help a painter out here. Okay, also when I'm painting, if you notice, I do not go panel to panel. I always try and go panel to panel. Don't stop near your edges. You're going to build up an edge on it where it won't look good. And always watch your edges so you don't have primer showing. There's 2 coats on it now. I'm going to go a 3rd coat. I already started a little bit because I messed up with the camera. Okay, this is my SATA base coat gun. It is a 1.4 fluid needle. Now I do not have it choked down. I have it wide open. Now the fan, I've closed it, and it will, as everyone knows, it'll do a complete circle. I'm going to open it up about halfway. I want to take it to where the fan just breaks. So I'm going to take it back first. If you spread it too much, it starts to get thin in the middle. I got a nice good pattern going down. And that's the way you want to have it. And you want to spray that 5 to 7 inches wherever you're comfortable at. Okay, before I was painting, I do these flips on here to keep the overspray off so my blend comes out perfect. Not everybody wants to paint the whole panels. I understand that being in a body shop. So here we go. Okay, now I've let it set for 5 minutes, and I'm going to go for coat 2. Now, if everything goes good for you, should be able to get a really nice blend. Come down. Should get real nice paint jobs. Have a great day.